How to vectorize an image in Affinity Designer. So we have an image over here. So to vectorize your image, just go ahead and choose the image that you want to do this on, and you'll be able to see the vector option in the top. So press on that. Once you're there, just go to image trace, and it should automatically vectorize it for you. So you have two options to continue with, which is the edge threshold. So it pretty much decides how strong a contrast must be before it is considered an edge. So the lower the edge threshold, that means it pretty much picks up on the stronger lines. But the higher ones, higher threshold means it can detect the shorter or smaller lines. But you gotta put in mind that by doing a higher one can get rid of lots of other details as well. So there's a pros and cons to doing this. And you also have the curve fitting tolerance. So this controls how closely the vector paths follow the original shape. So if you put it on a lower tolerance, then it follows the shape pretty much exactly how it was before. But if you went for a higher one, then it's much smoother and it has clearer lines. So it's basically much more straight. So it pretty much depends on you and how you want these settings to be. So you can 50-50 it or pretty much do whatever you want. But once you're done with that, just go ahead and press on apply. You can take a look at the image itself and open it up here to see most of its layers. So if you're having a hard time finding what layer you're gonna go for, you can just go ahead and click on the specific one you want. Let's say this little thing over here, then it will directly lead you to that layer specifically. So you can do whatever you want in it. You can change its color, but it very much depends on you and what you want to do with it. You can even delete it if you want. But that's pretty much how you vectorize an image in Affinity Designer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.